So I'm so excited to work with TrueCare, which is a rebranding of TearLab. They're the experts in osmolarity, which is crucial for diagnosing and helping to improve ocular surface health and corneal health. And I really look forward to incorporating the new Scout Pro into my practice. I work in a very high volume cataract refractive practice, and I use a lot of premium IOL technology, and so it is super important to set expectations with our patients to get the best outcomes. And I know that I have to nail those outcomes every time to get happy patients. So I'm looking forward to incorporating the Scout Pro into my pre-operative evaluation and protocol. Prior to this, my practice was really just evaluating the tear film qualitatively. We didn't have a quantitative measure. And so I know the Scout Pro is going to provide me a more objective measure of measuring the corneal health and also monitoring improvement with dry eye treatment. That way we can hit the target and get good refractive outcomes every time. In the workup and treatment of our dry eye patients, ASCRS has developed an algorithm or guideline to help us better treat our dry eye patients. And osmolarity is actually one of the most essential tests that we can measure quantitatively to let us know if a patient has dry eye disease and whether they require further treatment before we undergo cataract surgery. As a new adopter of osmolarity technology, I'm super excited to get my hands on the Scout Pro. My technicians and staff, they actually had a chance to play around with it, and they love doing it on each other because it's so easy, it's quick, it's efficient, and it's painless. And so I'm super excited to incorporate this into my practice, and I know our patients will love it and they'll benefit from it. So I work with a great group of physicians at Envision, and our whole model is to provide premium service, premium outcomes with the best technology to our patients. And so that's why I'm so excited to introduce this to and use it along with my Envision co-workers to introduce our patients to the Scout Pro, which is the most advanced technology I think that we can have for pre-operative dry eye evaluation. A lot of us are doing LASIK corneal refractive surgery, and so identifying and properly treating dry eye before surgery is the best way to get happy patients and better outcomes. And so this really provides a guideline for when a patient is ready for surgery so that they can see well and feel well as well. That's why I think it's so important to invest early on in dry eye technologies, and that's why I am adopting the Scout Pro, is because I realize that technologies continue to advance and we need the latest and greatest to help us better diagnose and treat our dry eye patients. And that's really what's going to differentiate a good surgeon from a great one.